Welcome to our comparison of two powerful desktop processors, the AMD Ryzen 7700X and the Intel Core i9-13900K. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i9-13900K takes the lead with its impressive 24 cores and 32 threads, making it an excellent choice for multitasking and demanding applications. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 7700X, with its 8 cores and 16 threads, still offers strong performance for gaming, but it cannot match the i9-13900K in heavy workloads. Both processors boast high clock speeds, with the Ryzen reaching up to 5.4 GHz and the i9 hitting 5.8 GHz, providing excellent gaming experiences. In terms of price-to-performance ratio, the AMD Ryzen 7700X shines with a price of $399, making it a fantastic option for gamers looking for high performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Intel Core i9-13900K comes with a premium price tag of $629, which may be justified for professionals needing top-tier performance, but may be overkill for casual gamers. Thus, the Ryzen 7700X offers better value for those on a budget. Another important factor to consider is integrated graphics. The Intel Core i9-13900K features Intel UHD Graphics 770, allowing for basic graphical tasks without a dedicated GPU. This can be a significant advantage for users who do not require high-end graphics performance. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 7700X does not include integrated graphics, necessitating a dedicated graphics card for any visual output. This distinction can influence your decision based on your specific needs. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 7700X and Intel Core i9-13900K are exceptional processors, each catering to different user needs. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for gaming, the Ryzen 7700X is an excellent choice. However, for those who require superior multitasking capabilities and integrated graphics, the i9-13900K stands out as the premium option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.